Hello, today I will be doing this mermaid makeup look based on the look I did on Connie Glynn aka Nuderella for a mermaid shoot shot by the fantastic photographer Linda Blacker. If you haven't seen the shots, I'll be adding a link to the description. The makeup was inspired by shiny pearls, so the whole look is very pearlescent with a lot of shimmer and glitter. So a lot of you have been especially asking how I created the fish scales. So starting with that, I've used the Goggly eyes by Crafty Bitz, which I got from a local station shop. And I had a look online and I couldn't find that many places that sold them, but I added one to the description. But you can basically use anything similar from a craft shop or from a station shop. I also bought them in a package where they come in different sizes. To color them, I simply used nail polish. You can use your imagination and use any color you'd prefer. I'm painting them in the same color I painted my nails, starting with a couple of layers of pink as the base color, followed by a pearly white. I just bought some really cheap £1 ones, since I'll be painting a lot of scales. Then I'm finishing it off using the Under the Sea nail paint by Berry M in shade Angelfish, as it has that pale pink pearlescent finish that works perfectly for the look. Start by cleaning the areas you'll be adding the scales to with alcohol to help the glue stick to your skin. Then glue them on using Mastix Spirit Gum by Kryolan scale by scale to give you pink mermaid cheekbones. Overlap by adding them over the V created by the previous row of scales. I'm also using the smaller ones in certain areas to unify the shape. Make sure you have Mastix remover to remove the glue afterwards. Then on your temple. Next, I'm doing my eyes, and I'm starting off using the foundation I'll be using later under my eyes and priming my eyelids using NARS Pro Prime, then MAC from a line in white. Followed by Maybelline Color Tattoo in pink gold. Inglot Pigments have the perfect shimmer fit for a mermaid. I'm adding a splash of Inglot Pigment 111 on the outer corner, followed by Inglot Pigment 179 on the inner corner of the eyes and above the pupil and under the brow bone. Then Bobbi Brown gel eyeliner in black ink to create a winged eyeliner. I'm using NYX's Inner Eye Brightener in linen on the waterline to brighten the eyes. Curl your lashes, then I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Apply lashes if you wish. I'm using Huda Beauty 4 Mink lashes in Farah. Now the face. After moisturizing and priming your skin, give it an under the sea glow by using Berry M Chrome Highlighter drops at first light on your whole face and extending it down. Then the L'Oreal Infallible Total Cover Foundation in porcelain with a bit of the highlighter mixed into it. Since the foundation is so pale, I'm using Kryolan TV Stick in white as a highlighter. I'm dabbing on the 179 Inglot Pigment on my face as well for an extra pink glow, then the 111 pigment. Add powder in places you want it to be less shiny. I don't want too strong eyebrows with this look, so I'm simply lightly filling them in using MAC Eyebrow Pencil in Fling. Curl, brush, back comb, then spray it back. I'm then mixing MAC Chroma Line in white with magenta and brushing it onto my hairline and into my hair, followed by the Maybelline Color Tattoo. After applying some hair gel, I'm dabbing on some glitter from eBay, link in the description. I'm then going over with glitters by Lit in shades ABBA and Northern Lights. Some glitter names to celebrate my Scandi heritage. I'm also dabbing them around the scales and on my eyelids. I'm also adding some pearls. I'm lining my lips using Dervish Lip Pencil by MAC, followed by a coral colored lipstick. With a dab of the ABBA glitter in the center. Add more scales to your body if you wish. I'm repeating the same process I used on my face more or less, but I'm adding baby oil to the foundation to make it thinner. And that's the finished look. All products are listed in the description. Thank you for watching and fins up if you like this video.